Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we show us how to send a message to a particular student. Now, in my previous video, I showed us how to send a post to a class, but today I'll be showing us how to send a message to a particular student. The first thing you do after opening your Edmodo account is to click on message. To send a message to a student, you click this plus icon that is here with a pen. Click on it. So it brings you to an editor. Right here it says tool. You type in the student's name right here. Now I want to send a message to my student whose name is Basic Arelo. So this is the student's name. So I click on it. Now you can type the message. For example, how are you? Why were you not at school today? So I send the message to the student and I click send. As you can see here, the student received this message and give me a response. So this is how you can send a message to a student. Now you can also send the message to two or more students by coming to this bar, click on it, you type in the student's name, again, you type in the student's name, so you can add more than one student, so you can send a message to more than one student at the same time. Alright, so this is how you can send messages to a student or to more than one student in your class. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. And if you have other Edmodo features which you want me to talk about on this channel, feel free to leave the comment below and I shall respond as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye bye.